Let's go. Today we are testing out this brand new plugin from Excite Audio. This is, I believe, the fourth in the Evolve series. This is Evolve Air. I'm really keen to try this one out, sort of geared towards more of like a ambient, ethereal style of music. So lots of really nice like textures, vocal textures, pads, drones. This plugin has a quad layer engine. So what that means is basically we have this XY pad that we can control. Quad obviously means 4, so we have 4 sound sources. We can have samples. There's up to like 250 sound samples, or we can also use synth oscillators. So you've got the samples here, or we've got synths. With this XY pad, we can kind of like change if we want more of each of these sounds. So it'll kind of shape the sound by blending those 4 elements. The thing with this is really cool because you could use it for like live performance, or you could even automate this so that the sound's changing like throughout the mix. If you go into like this specific sample, we've got lots of categories and then lots and lots of sounds in here. So you could create a ton of presets, or you can even drop in your own sample as well. So then we have this like edit menu, which drops down our effects. We've got like a filter, then we've got 3 different effects we can change from, and yeah, we can sort of decide which one we want, or we can change in what order of the chain they are. So that's just one of the presets that I picked out in the pad section. There's a fair few presets in here. They're all obviously like sort of left field, like electronica. This one specifically kind of gives me that like Bjork style sound. I think the quality of the source sounds, they've obviously been carefully selected and curated so that whenever you pick like any kind of preset, it's just got this very like distinct sound about it, and it makes it just really easy to make this specific style of music. It's got some random LFO. It's just controlling the pan. Just sort of adds like a layer of depth to the stability of how this sounds. So I've also got this next section, which I just literally threw halftime on. This is a really easy way to come up with the bass line. Just go and take the root notes, obviously. And then just paste them in for the new MIDI. So we know where the chords land now, and we can just kind of cut up these MIDI notes and make a bit more of a pattern out of them, or not, whatever. like to push the soft clipper a little bit harder just to get that kind of blown out, like Clams Casino style sound. And it's not very hard to do when you have like the perfect sample. One thing that I've been using is this like randomize button. If you have a preset that you like, or something that you're working on, or you just want kind of like new inspiration, you can just like literally just randomize using this. You just roll the dice. The cool thing is, if you already have a preset that you've like built and you like the way it sounds, let's say we just want to randomize sound A, then we can just roll the dice on that. And it will only do that for that. But we have like an actual checkbox, so we can like tick the ones that we want to keep and the other ones that we want to just roll the dice on type of thing.